Top 5 Best Action Cameras for Adventure Travel in 2020. Number 5. Garmin Virb Ultra 30. Families who enjoy mountain biking and downhill skiing particularly appreciate the features of the Garmin Virb Ultra 30. This camera is voice-controlled, easy to use, lightweight, and the built-in 3-axis image stabilization produces great 4K 30 FPS video. The microphone and the touchscreen display are fully functional through the waterproof case. The Wi-Fi connection and the accompanying app are both well designed, and the Virb Ultra 30 allows the option to live stream direct to YouTube. G-Metrix technology is unique to this action camera. This technology records speed, altitude, G-force and heart rate, if the user wears a compatible heart rate monitor. This is one of the best cameras for those who want to record the fine details of their travel adventure. Coming in number 4, DJI Osmo Action. DJI is well known for producing excellent aerial drone cameras, and the new DJI Osmo Action is the company's first action camera. This camera gives GoPro a run for its money, producing smooth, high-quality 4K 60 FPS video and 12-megapixel still images. While it has many of the same features as GoPro models, you can't livestream from this camera. The wide-angle lens is not quite as wide as GoPro, and the Osmo's Mimo app is a little more limited. What sets this camera apart is 2 full-color screens, a selfie screen on the front and a 2.25-inch touchscreen on the back. The additional screen makes it one of the best action cameras for teenagers and others who like to shoot adventure travel selfie sequences or those who like to vlog. Coming in number 3. GoPro MAX. Whether you're riding a roller coaster, visiting a theme park, or going on safari, the GoPro MAX will capture every thrilling travel adventure. GoPro's most expensive action camera has 2 fisheye lenses that offer 5.6K 360-degree video recording. After the video is recorded, the software lets you reframe the video and choose where the camera is looking before it converts the file to standard 2D. The upside is you almost never miss a shot. The main downsides are a loss in video quality from converting the 360-degree video to 2D and extra editing time. GoPro MAX provides excellent audio recording and has built-in mounting fingers. It also produces super smooth time-lapse video with a stabilization feature called Time Warp. In a nutshell, if you like the sound of reframing a video after it's shot, this is one of the best action cameras available. Coming in number 2. GoPro Hero 7 Black. The Hero 7 might not come with a host of new shooting modes or imaging improvements, but it does come with a few key tweaks that make it exciting to new and old users alike. The upgrade in stability alone will save hours of potential memories from the trash can. Super Photo makes the GoPro a more robust choice for stills, and the addition of live streaming is a plus for everyone. We'd always love to see significant bumps in the battery life, but given the Hero 7 launches at the same price as the Hero 6, it basically means the best GoPro just got better without impacting your pocket. Upgraders might want to consider if there's enough new here for you, but for everyone else, the Hero 7 improves on an already winning formula. Coming in number 1. GoPro Hero 8 Black. The Hero 8 Black is GoPro's newest upgrade. Although it is similar to the Hero 7, the Hero 8 has some impressive new features. Like the Hero 7, this camera also has a 4K resolution, but instead of 30 FPS we get 60 FPS with the Hero 8. The still image quality has also been increased from 10MP to 12 megapixel with improved HDR. The Hero 8 comes with better stabilization with hyper-smooth technology and a time warp feature that allows the camera to adjust to speed and light automatically. Each Hero 8 includes a built-in foldable mount too. Like the Hero 7, this camera comes with an LCD screen, GPS tracking, and voice control capabilities. The Hero 8 Black has its own line of accessories called mods. However, these accessories are not interchangeable with any of the other GoPro cameras. The GoPro Hero 8 is the best GoPro so far, but it does come with a big price tag, $399. It offers some newer features, such as live streaming and touchscreen, but each person will have to decide whether those options are worth the extra cost. Overall, it's a great camera. You can't go wrong with a GoPro, and this newer model has a lot of features. However, you will want to ensure that the additional cost makes sense for you.